Hi, this is Ernie. We're going to demonstrate how to do polar to rectangular, rectangular to polar conversions on your Casio calculator. So let's just do a rectangular to polar conversion real quick. All right, so turn my calculator on. Notice the status bar. The status bar is with degrees and math, so that's where you want to be. So how you do that, of course, is go to shift setup, and then number 3 degrees. Put it in mode 1 and make it in math. Otherwise, just go to shift 9, clear all, equals, yep, AC. All right. So let me take the autofocus off because that's kind of irritating, huh? So let me do the manual focus. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna do like a 3, 4, 5 triangle. All right. So if I want to convert the x equals 3, y equals 4 to polar, then what I want to do is go to shift polar, x equals 3, and then I want to put a comma in there, which is shift right parenthesis, 4, okay? You can close parentheses or not, it doesn't matter, and then just hit equals. And that will give you the magnitude and phase, all right? So that's going to give you 5 at an angle of 53.13 degrees. Of course, if you have the thing set up, if you have the calculator set up in radians, it's going to give it to you in the angle in radians. All right, so let's say now we want to go from magnitude and phase to x and y coordinate systems. Then you'll do shift rectangular. All right, you want to go to rectangular. So we have a magnitude of 5 at an angle of 53.13 degrees. And if we do that, yep, x equals 3, y equals about 4, okay? So it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. All right, so that's it for this video, but I think there was another video that y'all wanted me to do. Let me look that up. Sorry, I wasn't so prepared to jump right into it. I know that I took notes here. Oh, there it is. Degrees to radians. Okay. But the quickest way that I do degrees to radians is by um, entering in the pi degrees for every 180, pi radians for every 180 degrees. All right. So so I actually like to do the ratios that way. I mean, um, but you know, you have to do it the way you want to do it. So if I want, if I have, so I'm in degrees right now. So let's say I have, so this is the thing. Your solution, let's say you want to solve for something to make it into degrees, you have to be in degrees, okay? So the solution is the status of your calculator. So if I want to put in, let's say, um, pi divided by 2 radians, right? Shift pi, let me do it this way. Shift pi divided by 2 radians, and I want to get it into degrees, okay? Then I would hit the DRG thing right there. You see the DRG? Shift DRG, that's in radians, so number 2, okay? Now, so that's the radians, and then I want to create degrees, so hit equals. It's 90 degrees. So if I have 90, say 45 degrees, so 45 degrees, if I convert it to radians, I had to put this setup into radian mode. So my answer is going to be in radians now. So if I have 45 degrees, okay, and then I go to shift degree radians gradients, And that's degrees, number one. And if I want to get to radians, I just hit the equal sign. And that's pi over 4 radians. All right. So that's the two things that I think we went over. I think there's something on slide 33 on circuits that I'll do with you, but I'll do that in a separate video. By the way, at the very end, I'm just going to go ahead and clear all, just to put it back into the default mode.